Today, we're diving into the features of the HinLIaDa folding treadmill, an excellent addition to your home gym. The clear LED display on the body provides real-time tracking of your workout essentials: time, speed, distance, and calories, giving you all the information you need. With adjustable height, 44.88 to 50.88 inches, and 3 incline levels, it caters to users of different heights and training intensities. Safety and comfort are top priorities, thanks to the 2-tier wide anti-slip diamond pattern running belt. Its anti-static surface not only increases friction but also enhances your running experience. The treadmill's non-electric drive not only saves on electricity bills but also makes it quieter, providing you with a seamless workout environment. Built with convenience in mind, the HinLIaDa treadmill is designed to be easily stored with its thin and foldable structure. Its dimensions, 50.3922.0418.1 inches, allow it to fit effortlessly under your bed, sofa, desk, or beside a cabinet without taking up much space. Made from high-quality materials like anti-static PVC, ABS steel, high-density veneer, and cast steel, this treadmill boasts a sturdy build with a maximum speed of 6.2 miles per hour. It's suitable for a wide range of users, from adults and teenagers to the elderly, with a weight capacity of 264.55 pounds. Whether you're looking to jog, walk fast, or take a slow stroll, the HinLIaDa folding treadmill is a versatile fitness companion that can be used at home, in the gym, or even in the office. It's time to elevate your indoor exercise routine with this efficient and space-saving treadmill. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.